Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. For this video, I'm going to be talking about ads. According to the Economic Times website, advertising is defined as a means of communication with the users of a product or service. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receive them. When it comes to being an affiliate on Twitch, you don't necessarily have the ability to run your own ads, but you can earn revenue through running ads on your channel when you stream. You can choose the length of the ads you run and change settings on the way you run them, or if you want to run them at all through the creator dashboard. You can also view your total revenue as well as a complete breakdown of where it's coming from, including revenue earned from running ads. Not only can you benefit from this as a streamer, but as a professional marketer too. When you run ads online through platforms such as Twitch and YouTube, you as a marketer can learn about your return on ad spending. BigCommerce Essentials defines this as a marketing metric that measures the efficacy of a digital advertising campaign. Return on ad spending helps businesses online evaluate which methods are working and how they can improve future advertising efforts. The way to calculate this is by dividing the revenue attributed to your ad campaign by the cost of that campaign. The reason this is helpful for professional marketers is that it allows them to find inconsistencies and new ways to improve their digital marketing. This also helps for future ad planning and creating a budget that minimizes costs and increases revenue. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye everyone!